Right, so now we're going to start exploring how to add blocks. We're going to look at a few of them and we're going to find how to get to them. One of the first things you can do is you can just hover somewhere in here and click add a block and just click that plus. And you'll see that there's some common ones. The first thing that's common is a paragraph. Most of your website's going to be text. The next most popular thing is going to be images, then lists, and you can create different kinds of lists, bullet, numbered lists. Then there's headings, there's a gallery of photos, and then quotes. However, we could see all of the blocks that are available to us by clicking Browse All. And you'll notice that that opens up this side panel, and we've got our first section here is called blocks, then we've got patterns, and we've got media. Again, if you scroll a little bit, you'll see that a lot of these that were in that normal thing, again, if I click here, I get paragraph, images, lists, these sort of things. When I go to Browse All, you'll notice some of those they're already levitated to the top. Although this is the text section, then you've got media section, so that'll be your images, your gallery, your audio, and so on. But if you keep going down, you'll find all sorts of stuff like buttons, columns, grid, and then you come down here, you'll see widgets, archives, calendar, and so on. I would love for you, once I show you how to add some blocks, I'd love for you to go in and explore some of these blocks. And here's your part of the assignment. I want you to go through these blocks after I show you a few of them, and I want you to add a block element to your page that you think no one else would try, no one else would explore, and then I want you to explore it in such a way that you understand it and could teach it to the class. All right? So what are you supposed to do? One, find a block to use and explore how it would work on a site. Let's just find let's make that number 1, and I'm going to do this as number 2. Explore how it would work on a site. Set it up. Be able to explain how to use it. Be able to explain how to set it up. All right, so that's your assignment in the next video. I'm going to do that and kind of show you how I would want you to do that. I'm going to first start with paragraphs. I'm going to add images. I will probably use the list item. By the way, that's what this one is. You just saw me use the list item, and it automatically detects that this is a list. But I'll come down here and try to find one as well and show you how I would set it up. So I want you to start looking through those blocks and see which ones excite you and which one you think you'd want to set up, which one might be useful to a website, and start doing that exploration. And in the next video, I'll show you how I want you to go about exploring. Exploring, you can pretty much figure it out. Setting it up, that's going to be unique to each block. But then I want to cover how you might be able to explain its use and how to set it up. All right, so I'll see you in the next video.